Okay guys, this is what I'm going to put in my blender right now as I prepare to cook some jollof rice. So here I've got onions, some garlic, some scotch bonnet pepper and some bell peppers, and I'm going to blend this with some tomato plum, and then I'm going to cook it down to let the water evaporate. So there it is, and then we're going to add our tomato plum, and then we blend. Jollof rice. So we're going to cook this until the water evaporates and we get a thick tomato paste. And this is it after 20 minutes of cooking. You see the thickness is changing, so we're going to cook it for another 10 minutes. Please be careful when you're cooking this as it spits hot tomato at you. So the first stage is ready. See, nice and thick. Now we're going to cook it further with some tomato puree. So we're going to make our stew for our jollof rice. We're going to add some oil in the pan, not too much. We're going to fry the puree and cook the rawness out of the puree. We're going to do that with some onions, and then we add the puree and cook it for like 3 minutes until the rawness comes out. You have to turn it regularly so it doesn't burn. Cook it on low heat. And then we're going to add our cooked tomato plum into this. And then we're going to cook it for an additional 10 minutes. Then we're going to add some water and our stock cubes and then our rice. Now we add the puree and mix it with a bit more oil because it needs oil to cook. We're just gonna continue cooking the rawness out of the tomatoes, and we just cover that to cook. Okay guys, the tomato is ready, and I'm going to now add my water. Going to use some water from the chicken. And then you can taste it for your seasoning. I've already added some stock, but I will add a couple more Maggi cubes. And then we'll add our washed rice and cover it to cook. Now our rice is ready to go in. And we'll cover that on high heat. Cover it with foil and let that cook down. This is after 15 minutes under the foil. After this you can turn it and check the rice to see if it's soft or hard, and cover it again. It's on low heat and let it just cook with steam. checked and the rice is still a bit hard, so I'm just going to add a bit more water. And here we are, jollof rice, spicy, tasty, and nutritious food is ready to go.